Hi, my name is Michelle Pfeiffer, and I'd like to show you how to sign into Google Classroom today. The first thing that you need to do is open up Google, and then in the top right-hand corner, you should see this Sign In button. If you're already signed in with your personal Gmail account, you'll want to sign out. So make sure that you're not signed in with your personal Gmail account, and you're going to want to sign in with your district Google account. Your teacher will give you that information. So I'm going to sign in as a student using a fake account. But for everyone else, your username is your first initial, last name, with the year that you graduate at students.lapierreschools.org. And then, like I said, you'll get your username and your password from your teacher. So let me just put in my password. Once you're logged in, you'll see welcome to your new account, and you'll need to read through this and click accept. Then this is just asking for you to create a new password, a stronger password. If you are prompted to do this, you can just do this real quick. And then change password. Make sure you write that down so you have it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the waffle that's located in the top right corner. It looks like the little squares that are 9 squares, and it takes you to the Google Apps. When you get to the Google Apps, you're looking for the one that says Classroom. Click on that one. Now I'm logged in as a student, and you can see my name is Perfect Student. So click Continue to get started. You're going to pick a role, whether you're a student or a teacher. And then the next thing you're going to do is go up to, in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a plus sign. Click on that plus sign to join the class. You will then be prompted to enter a class code. Your teacher will give you this class code, and then you click Join. From there, you'll be able to get started. I hope this was helpful.